If you're outside soon after dark this weekend, then take some time to look to the south to see our natural satellite in space. Do that and you'll be one of millions doing the same, because Saturday, October 21st is International Observe the Moon Night 2023. Actively promoted by NASA, International Observe the Moon Night had, at the time of writing, over 3,000 registered events in North America. It's taking place now because the current phases of the moon is first quarter, which is arguably the best and most convenient time to look at the moon. Not only is it bright, but not too bright, after dark, but some of its most beautiful sights are easiest to see. If you're not sure exactly what to look at, don't worry. NASA is providing a useful set of moon maps to download, one for each hemisphere, each with the major lunar mare marked upon it. Mare, Latin for seas, refers to the dark patches on the moon, which cover about a sixth of its surface. They are, of course, not seas but basalt plains that once filled with lava, events triggered by asteroids striking the moon. While mare are easily visible to the naked eye, it's also worth pointing a pair of binoculars at the moon. Anything you have to hand is good, no specialized equipment is required. With a little magnification, the moon's terminator is where to look. This line between the dark side and the light side is, in close-up, an ill-defined line where shadows dominate. These shadows allow you to see craters and mountain ridges, of which there are many, with the southern part of the moon particularly mountainous. On July 20, 1969, NASA astronaut Neil Armstrong said, "Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed," as Apollo 11 touched down on the moon. He was referring to the southern part of Mare Tranquillitatis, the Sea of Tranquility. It's easy to find on this Observe the Moon Night, and so are the landing sites of some of the other Apollo missions, though the Apollo 12 and 14 landing sites are within Lunar Night this weekend. NASA will air a special 2-hour International Observe the Moon Night broadcast on NASA TV at 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Saving Time, 2300 Coordinated Universal Time, on October 21st. So will some other organizations in NASA's Night Sky Network in the US and beyond. NASA states that the whole point of the event is to unite people across the globe in a celebration of lunar observation, science, and exploration. It's also used to promote NASA's lunar science and exploration programs. Next year's International Observe the Moon Night will take place on September 14, 2024. Wishing you clear skies and wide eyes.